Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make a delicious snack without using potato, paneer, baby corn, sweet corn. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need white bread slices. I am using 4 bread slices in this recipe. Remove the sides. And then cut the bread slices like this. So here I've got some bread fingers. Similarly cut the remaining 2 bread slices. If you want to make in more quantity, you can increase the amount of bread slices. Our bread fingers are ready. Now let's move to the next step. To a bowl add 4 tablespoons, that is 1/4 cup Maida, and 4 tablespoons rice flour, that is Chawal ka Aata. Add salt to taste and mix well. Next add some water and make a batter of medium consistency. The batter should be thick enough to coat the bread slices. Next add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste will add a very nice taste, so do not skip it. Now quickly dip bread slices or bread fingers in this batter and add to hot oil. Do not let the bread fingers remain in the batter, else they'll turn soggy or break in the batter, so quickly dip them and add to hot oil. Fry at medium flame and then you can increase the flame between medium to high. Fry till the bread fingers become nice and crispy and slightly golden in color, like this. Once done, transfer them to a paper napkin or to a sieve. Similarly fry the remaining bread fingers. This is a very simple and tasty snack. Here I've got the bread fingers or bread French fries made using 4 bread slices. Nice and crunchy on the outside and soft inside. And the batter gets a very nice taste from ginger garlic paste. Look how nice and crunchy they are. Now let's prepare masala for this. To a bowl add red chilli powder, chaat masala, garam masala and powdered sugar. I am using garam masala from Everest brand. You can use any brand. Now give this all a good mix. Next add the bread French fries and toss well. You can toss like this or mix with 2 spoons. Do this step immediately after frying and the masala would stick better to the bread French fries. Our bread French fries are ready. Instead of this masala, you may add cheese powder or any other masala powder that you like. You can serve these with tea or you can have these just like that. A very delicious and easy snack to munch on. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!